Hey guys, it's Erika and we're going to be checking out Nature, Some You'll Be Mine. So is this some like the Korean slang term for some? Like something like you're a some with someone, like you're something with someone? Like Tiffany explained it in like a video where she did, where she was teaching Korean slang and she just like, it means like something, like you have an affair with somebody, but it's not like you got a boo and then you have an affair on the side. That's not what it means. It's like, I know it's a step in a relationship before you start dating and it's like, you're something with someone, but you don't want the official title of like boyfriend, girlfriend, but you're like something and stuff. That's what I think it means. That's how I understand it and stuff. But yeah, I keep going in and out of focus today. What's wrong with me? I'll stay in the corner and let it focus over here. But yeah, but I'm really excited for this. They had a what was it? Lego Cannibal. That one was really good and stuff. And now we have some from Nature. So I'm really excited for this comeback. I'm really excited to see what they're gonna do. That one was popping. Was it that last one? It was really popular and stuff. But I'm excited. So you know what? Let's go. It's so colorful. So bright too. Her hair though. Ooh, ooh. It's just so... It's so colorful. What? What the what? It sounds like they say summer love. But I don't think they say summer love. Is it summer love? It sounds crazy. It's crazier than the last one. Sparkly letters. Okay, girl. A more flirtier concept. It's been a minute since we've had like a really like bright, colorful K-pop music video like this. When they hit that choreography in the chorus, man. Wasn't expecting that. Their last one was like cuter. Even this one is still cute too, but like they have like sexier outfits and stuff. But look at that, they're still adorable. Dab. Oh, always gotta throw a dab in there. Come on. Ooh, I like the silhouette parts. Cake? That's a big cake, man. Donuts? I'm hungry. So that's not helping. It's cool when they go like that on the beat. There's so much going on. Oh, all the hearts, that's cute. Oh no, who's here? There's only 2 of them for how many girls? Some, you'll be mine. That was cute and stuff. I'm gonna go the lyrics real quick, because it's not like, I think they're saying, it sounds like they're saying summer love, but that'd be weird when it's December, and stuff, so, but I think they're saying some unlove, like, I think that's what they're saying, and stuff, but that, some un, like, that's Korean, but yeah, but it was really fun. I wasn't expecting that, especially reacting to their last, Allegro Cantable, and that was completely different stuff. This one was more flirty, so it's like the same do with some different things, but like wasn't expecting that. And then the chorus when they're doing some weird like crumpet thing and stuff, that was not expected. It was so colorful, it was so bright. It's been a good minute until we've had like I said, oh, some and love. Okay, so some and love. Okay, so yeah, but they're saying some and love. Okay, there we go. That's much better and stuff. I can't hear anything, so yeah, but it's been a good minute since we've had something like that bright, that colorful, sort of just like K-pop in your face and stuff, so that was cool to see again and stuff, see them do a different concept, have a little bit of a different sound and stuff, because the last one, I remember all the plants from the last one and stuff, so this was very surprising, just like, ooh, and my soul wasn't ready for it, but it was fun, it was nice, it was cool to see that again, and just have that just concept again, and in your face crazy, and then the crazy build up in the chorus and stuff when that beat dropped. Oh, it's been a good minute since you've had like a song like that, so it was a bit refreshing, nice to go back to that sort of style and sound in K-pop and stuff. So yeah, go ahead and put your thoughts in the comments down below. We did that about nature some. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you liked me and want to see more of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to see my videos the second they come out, hit that notification button. If you want to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Tumblr, Facebook page, all in the description down below or at the end screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.